Can you not? And then it's like you go from that one day, you gotta confuse them. You can't look the same all the time. Then the next day, it's like, oh, that was Posh Spice. Now I'm gonna use Sporty Spice. And, oh, I think I'm gonna go outdoors. Bam. You know, I'm warm, comfortable, but I'm chic. Now my head's not cold at all. Then you're like feeling a little rocker, feeling a little rock and roll. So then you look at this one, and you're like, I'm gonna go with it. Little uncle. Oh, my ring fell in my car. I gotta get it out. I'm excited to be back. It's Valentine's Day, so happy Valentine's Day. If you don't have a Valentine, I'll be your Valentine. You're my Valentine. I'm yours. Love you. And go make yourself a milkshake. Make yourself anything, whatever. A glass of wine. Enjoy yourself. Because today I'm going to be doing a video on coats. And coats, it's just something universal. We all love them. We all need them. Whether you live in cold weather, whether you live like me in California, we live in the Northern Bay Area. We were really spoiled with like really nice weather last week, and it was like in the 80s, and then this week it's been like in the 40s. It's been kind of cold, so I figured I would do one on like really good essentials that I've had. Some of these I've had for years, and some of them I've just purchased recently, so I think they're just good staples. You can never go wrong with them, and you will always need them, you know? It's like you can get trendier stuff, or you could just get good basics. I have a little mix of both. I figured it'd be kind of fun to spruce it up a little bit. But yeah, if you want to see some of the essential coats that I think should be in everyone's wardrobe, then just keep on watching. Okay, so I'm going to start. So I have them like lined up behind me, but some of these are just like, not some of these are all literally like my ride or dies. In case you're wondering, this top is from Zara. I like love it so much. And it's got like these long fluffy sleeves, kind of like dolman sleeves, and then it's got like a little shape down here, but nothing too crazy, just, you know. So I'm going to start, I guess I'll just work my way this way. So this first one is just a cute little cropped jacket. Now I've had this jacket for a really long time. 3-4 years. It just got like silent in my life. Absolutely love this jacket so much. Not only is it thick, it keeps me warm, but it's also super cute and it's very versatile. Every time I buy anything, period, I always want to make sure that it's like something that I can mix and match with a whole bunch of different outfits. So like if it's something casual that I want to wear on the weekends with like a pair of sneakers, or if it's something that I want to wear to work and I can dress it up with like a pair of slacks or just like a heel, I always look for things like that when I shop, and I shop a lot. But those are kind of like what make things stand out for me. And this jacket I've worn so much. I've worn it over dresses. I've worn it with sneakers and jeans. I've worn it to work with like slacks, or just dress it up, dress it down. I love it. It's super warm, and I think it's like a funky little texture. And what I love about it is that the colors are, although it's got like this little texture in it, the color itself, the color palette is not so overwhelming that it'll be like a super trendy piece. So it's a nice, for me it's like a nice transition, not transition, but it's like a good piece that can transition, yeah, from season to season without it being like overdone or being like too much. If that makes any sense. But this I think is super cute. It's like the only cropped one that I have in here, and I just absolutely love it. It's just adorable, wear it all the time. So I definitely think like a cropped jacket can be practical in the wintertime, if that makes any sense, but I think it's super cute. So this next one, and I think this is just an essential period in everyone's closet, a good leather jacket. This one's my favorite, and this one is from Zara. I got it on sale last year, and I had my eye on it for so long, and it kept selling out in my size. So when it came back, I was so excited, so I ordered it immediately, and it happened to be on sale. So I love this jacket so much. You can get so much wear out of leather. It's insane. Whether it's leather pants or leather jacket, a leather shirt, it's just such a good staple piece, period. And so this black one I literally love so much. I wear it all the time, and it's thicker, so it's warm. And leather holds heat. Clearly, if you have leather seats in your car, you know what I'm talking about. Every time I get in my, not my new car, but my old car, my Jeep, that I had to get rid of. I'm so bummed. But anyways, that had leather seats, and man, oh man, in the summer, it was awful, right? Awful. Well, leather just holds heat well, period, and this will definitely keep you warm. And if you live in warm climate areas like I do, I like to obviously wear this a lot in the winter time, but then also summer nights, sometimes it does get a little bit chilly, and I like throwing this on just like over my shoulder, kind of like throwing on kind of like this, and have it over like that. And then it's just like super cute because you could just have it layered on, but you don't have the sleeves on, so you're not like super hot, but it still kind of keeps some warmth in. So I love it. This is such a good piece. It's got like leather, or it's got these zippers here. It's got these little different designs here. Same on that side. And then on the back, it's just got some of these buckles, which I think are super cute. And it's also got like that halo riveting back here. It's such a good piece. It's amazing. And this time of year, I mean, all the stores are already transitioning into all their spring. A longer coat looks like this. It's all black, and it's got some leather detailing up front. It's got these longer pockets in the front, and it's also got a zipper that you can zip over. It's got double zippers on the sides, and this one is from Zara. And then if I can't find these products, I'll link them down below. I'll find something similar. Like I said, some of these pieces I've had, actually every single one of these pieces except two, actually except one. All the other ones I've had for a really long time, and I literally wear them non-stop. But this one's a little bit more of a longer coat. It's you probably right above your knee, if not just right below. And it's just such a good coat to have because it's super cute, but it's also super warm. I've been wearing this thing non-stop lately because it's been just so cold, and it's such a good piece to have because it just keeps you warm, but it's not like super heavy, which I know some coats can be, and I hate that in a coat when the coat is so bulky and heavy and then it just like weighs you down. Yeah, I don't like that. So I like coats that are like warm and I can breathe and I can move, but also be warm, if that makes sense. But this is just such a good coat to have, and it's kind of fun because it's like a little bit longer. I know some of these that I've shown you guys are, well, one of them was cropped, but the other two are kind of just regular length. This is a good piece to have, like a mid-length coat, because it just kind of spruces up any outfit. I'll wear that with like a pair of jeans, some chucks, and a t-shirt, and it just like plays up the look, or I'll throw that on with my work outfit, and it's cute, like out of breath. So this next one is kind of a fun piece. This one I just recently got, and I bought it from Amazon, and I felt like a boss ass in it, okay? It's so cute. I actually wore it on Friday to the ice cream museum in San Francisco. Took my mom and my sister. But it's this like faux fur cheetah jacket. Like, can we just take a moment for it? How cute is it? It's also a little bit longer, not quite as long as the Zara coat that I just showed you previously, but it's a little bit longer, but it is so warm. It kept me warm in San Francisco, and it's been freezing there lately. It was so just comfortable and cozy, and I wore it with a white t-shirt, and I have dark green leather pants that I wore. They're kind of like long, not long, but they're like right at my ankle, and I wear them with chucks. It literally played up my outfit so much. I loved it. It was super cute. Got so many compliments on it. And I recently got it on Amazon. I'll link it down below. It had been sold out forever, and I've been wanting a coat like this for such a long time. And what I like about this piece is like, yes, it's over the top. I get it. I'm just looking over at the viewfinder to make sure you can see it. But it's also a good print. Now, prints like this, whether it's cheetah, whether it's like a zebra stripe, are good versatile pieces because you can treat them as neutrals. So when you have a piece like this that's like so vibrant, you can wear it as a neutral piece, if that makes any sense, because it's like anything. It's like sometimes I'll wear cheetah flats with like a navy blue blazer, and it just gives it a nice little contrast without it being so over the top, which is why I love prints like this, whether it's cheetah print. Back to where we were. So my camera died on me for some reason. It's always so insulting when you're in the middle of a sentence and your camera dies. It's like, why? It's like a friend who, like, you know, is not paying attention to your conversation, and then you ask them a question after, and then they're like, oh wait, what? Like, I feel insulted, and that's what this Canon just did to me. So anyways, we were talking about this jacket. Now this, like I said, has literally been my casual ride or die warm jacket for years. Years. I love it so much, and I'm gonna look to see if I can find something similar down below because it's not something I purchased recently. But either way, it's like just such a good jacket to have. I would say anything like, it's also got these like little things at the bottom, and I'm gonna find something similar, don't you worry, because these jackets are super popular. I like them a lot because they're light and they're super warm. Like this one's got this faux sheepskin inside. Love it. The hoodie is amazing. It keeps like your head warm when it's cold out. Taking it in the snow keeps me super warm, because it's my pet peeve is when my ears and my head are cold. It's like a done deal, because then I get a headache and then I get nauseous, and I hate it. So something like this that'll not only keep my body warm but my head warm without having to throw on a beanie is like so amazing for me, especially like if you live in cold weather climates where it snows all the time, or whether there's just like a chilly breeze period. Jackets like that are super comfortable because sometimes you don't want to wear a beanie, and I love beanies, but I don't want to wear them all the time. And when it's like cold like that, that just keeps you super warm because the inside of the jacket is lined, and it's just amazing. This last jacket is the only one that I own like this, and I just bought it recently from Amazon, and I took it to Boston a couple times already, and I love it so much because it's just so cute. So I got this from Amazon, and I've been obsessed with Amazon lately, period, because you can literally just type in what you're looking for and it just brings you up so many options. And I love that you can like look at people's reviews, because people on there are brutally honest. It's like the Yelp of clothes, if that makes any sense. People are like, this was too small, and it is hit and miss. Like I have a couple things that I bought that are like the sizing's completely off. One dress was supposed to be parallel to an extra small, and huge. But this is a long lapelled coat, and it's gray. It's like this light gray, and it's like one of those things where it was this it was one of those things that I made it work sizing wise, like I just mentioned, because it's a size too big for me, and I made it work. We made it work together, and we're happy together. We're just happy together. But I really like this coat because it just is light. Like I mentioned, all these coats are just light, and I love that so much, but it keeps me warm. The lining on the inside is super thick, so you just like retain all your body heat. It's like amazing. It's like a revolutionary thing when you can just look cute and not be cold, if that makes any sense. But I wore this when I had my presentation in Boston for grad school, my first presentation, and I really liked it because it's like it played up my outfit really well, and it's also a good neutral color, which I love because I know this piece is again going to take me from season to season and look really cute all the time. And I can also wear it casually or wear it fancy like I did. I wear it to work all the time. It's a really, really good piece. Like part of like, I don't know, some sort of like organization when I wear this coat. I like to like flick it at people, like walk by and I'm like, hello. But I really, really like this jacket. So yeah, that concludes my jacket essentials video. I really, really like these jackets, all of them. I wear them all the time. I kid you not. I have an obsession. Jackets, blazers, things like that. I can do more videos like this if you guys want. Let me know what you think, but I definitely do think I'm going to incorporate more videos like this because I really, really enjoy fashion. I think it's just something, it's a way to express yourself, whether you do it with graphic tees, whatever. Yeah, let me know if you guys like this video. Give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you already haven't. And like I said, I will find alternatives to all of these if they're still not if they're no longer for sale. I will find something similar to it. That way you guys can check those out. And yeah, so that is it for this video. I'll see you guys next time.